Bonnie, happy Saturday! I am back. Check it out. I actually have a Snowflakes and Hot Cocoa shirt on today, and I went shopping. I was at the Bath and Body Works $3.95, $4.95 body care sale today. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm super happy. I actually only spent, I think, $57, and I got two of these bags. I got to say, I have a problem with bags. I love my bags. So I got two of these, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 11. I did 11 products, and I'm going to show you what I got today and tomorrow. I didn't even realize the sale was tomorrow. I thought it was today only, but it's actually tomorrow too. $3.95 on the lotion, $4.95 on the cream. I didn't have a coupon. Did anyone try using a coupon today? I did not have one. I don't know if they work. I don't know what's going on with that. But I just did. I mean, the price is good at $3.95. My store wasn't overcrowded, but once people figured out the price, a lot of people were like, oh, $3.95, and then they started to kind of filter in. I was there at probably about 1:30, and it was starting to get a little bit crowded. Nothing new though. Nothing new. People are grabbing mostly like winter candy apple, twisted peppermint, vanilla bean Noel. Those are the popular ones on the way home too. Oh my gosh. I got 3 bags of those Thanksgiving stuffing chips at Trader Joe's. I'm through. I am so addicted to those now. And then look what else I got. 12 days of scented candles. I have no idea what's in here. We're going to open this on camera together. These are $29, but I'm like, you know what? I'm getting this. That's going to be a fun thing to open. So I was so super excited. Oops, it fell over. It's okay. I don't even know what they look like. I don't know if they're votives. I don't know if they're glass. We shall find out. So I got that too. So what did I get today? I got a Northern Brights eucalyptus and pine in the cream. I decided I like this, by the way. I have it already in the lotion. I should have probably gotten a second lotion. I like it. It's pine. I'm going to review this one soon. But I'm kind of digging that one now. The other cream I got was Snowflakes and Cashmere because I need to review this one. I love this one. I got to say, Snowflakes and Cashmere is good. This is the vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. Really, really nice scent. So I got that. I got to review that one. I got my mom the Stress Release Aromatherapy Eucalyptus and Spearmint. She loves this one. So I wanted to get her one of those. And then I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 9 of the body lotions. Some of these are going to be gifts. I'm probably going to keep a few, but I'm like, you know what? At this price point, I better get them now. It's really weird. My camera just like stopped. I looked up and I'm like, I'm not recording anymore. So now I'm going to dig into the body lotion. So the first one I got is the Jolly Gingerbread Village. Not a fan. It's a little too woodsy for me. I'm going to give this one to my sister-in-law. Her birthday's this week, so I'm going to have her try that. I did get a Vanilla Bean Noel because this is like my scent this year. It actually smells pretty good in the lotion. I gotta say, I got Vanilla Bean Noel, and then I also got Winter Candy Apple for myself. Oh yeah, that smells great. Oh my gosh. This one is a must-have. $3.95, and it smells as strong as the cream. Okay. I got a Luminous. I think I might gift this one off. I have a lot of family members to give these to. This smells really good too. So I got Luminous. I got an In the Stars. I still have to review In the Stars for you guys. Not really my scent. A lot of people love this one though. So I'm going to do In the Stars with the new packaging. I did get, Strawberry Snowflakes. This is mine. Oh yeah, this smells so good. I am keeping the Strawberry Snowflakes. I got a Chasing Fireflies. I like the bottle. I didn't even know this bottle was the lotion. I don't love this. I don't hate it. I'll probably gift it off. I know a couple people who might want that one. And then in this kind of tufted faceted, I got Dark Kiss, and then I also got Champagne Toast. I can't decide what to do with these. I'm like, should I keep these? I don't know. I might see if my mother or my daughter wants some of these, but I don't know. I actually might go back tomorrow. This was such a good deal on these lotions. I'm like, you know what? I might need to get a couple more of these. By the way, the scent notes are no longer on the back of these lotions. The faceted, and I don't know why. Isn't that weird? I don't get it. That's very strange. So anyway, I feel like I got a really good haul today. I'm actually just going to put these back in my bag for now. Oh, there's my receipt. Just so I have everything in one place and I'm not losing everything. I really didn't get many creams, mostly because I am pretty much loaded up on cream because any of the body care sales, and I really wanted to take advantage of like the $3.95 stuff. That was like my goal. I'm like, I'm hitting the $3.95 stuff. This did not include the diamond shimmer lotion. Oh, what the heck is that called? It just left my head. Let's see here. The diamond shimmer. What the heck? Oh, I'm talking about. Anyway, so today and tomorrow, the body care sales are going on. This is actually huge. If you want the lotion, $3.95, low price of the season. Monday there's going to be a Wallflower promo. Tuesday a car fragrance gift sale. And then Wednesday the 15th, a hand cream sale. And then Friday is going to be wellness. So that's going to be your run therapy. But I didn't get a coach today. And we're moving into some of the Black Friday deals the next week. So things are really moving fast. Check everything out. Make your list. I'm going to be doing some big videos on how to shop Black Friday, the week of Black Friday. I'm going to, Cyber Monday. We're going to do Candle Day. We have so much to talk about. I got to get some reviews in for you of some more of this stuff. I'm going to do snowflakes and cashmere next, I think. Thank you so much to everyone who's been purchasing t-shirts off of our new site, Bonleo. I will put the link below. Don't forget to use the code QUEEN10 to get 10% off on that site. I also put the Candle Day tees on sale. They're $16.99 on the site now. Plus, you get an additional 10% off. So if anyone wants a Candle Day tee, that would be really cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back later. I will see you guys then. Let me know what you're shopping for today. Bye-bye.